Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can apply a border on your cutout on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video right here, and simply I'm just going to copy and paste it actually because I still want the background. You can delete it if you want and choose another one. Go to Cutout and select Auto Cutout on the second video. Then you're just going to select any type of border that you want. There is this one which kind of looks like paper. There's this one which is just a solid one. There is this offset one, and there is this dotted one. So on this one you can change the color, size, and opacity. So for instance, I want it to be a little bit smaller, or maybe I want it to be a little bit bigger. You can also adjust the opacity, and you can also select the color of your choice as well. I'm going to select the green from his shirt, and that is pretty much it really. You can use this on videos or on photos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!